Organometallic compounds. We have already seen one example, that is the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. So what is meant by an organometallic compound? Organometallic compound means there is an organic part of the reaction like CH3. This is an organic part which is attached to a metal. Okay, so this is Grignard reagent, this is organic part, this is a metallic part, so we call it as an organometallic compound. Now let us just try and identify. I'll give you a few examples. Try and identify whether they are organometallic or they are not. In short, I'll call organometallic as OMC. Now let us see. Suppose I'm writing C2H5Na. Okay, ethyl sodium. Ethyl sodium, is it organometallic or not? It is, because you can see that यहाँ link will be between, it will be like this, C, H, 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 C, H, H, this is C2H5 and Na. So directly sodium is linked to carbon. In that case, you will call it as an organometallic compound. Okay, so what is organometallic compound? The metal is directly linked to carbon. Okay, so this is an organometallic compound. Now if I give you another compound, say C2H5ONa, this is not organometallic, okay, because the sodium, that is a metal, is not directly linked to carbon, it is linked through oxygen. So this is not organometallic. Next we will write C2H5 4 times Pb. This is called tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. In this also lead is directly linked to carbon and hence this is an organometallic compound. Okay. Now tetraethyl lead, in short we call it as TEL. Tetraethyl lead is used as an anti-knocking agent in petrol. You might have seen at petrol pumps, leaded petrol, non-leaded petrol, etc. So this is it, TEL. Okay. Then next example I am giving you is CH3OK, potassium methoxide. This is not an organometallic reagent. Why? Because it is not, the potassium metal is not directly linked to carbon, it is linked through oxygen. So this is not an OMC. Okay. Then CH3COO 4 times Pb. Okay, lead tetraacetate. Now this linkage will be like this, CH3COOPb, like this 4 times. So this is also not organometallic compound because lead is not linked directly to carbon, it is linked through oxygen. So this is not an example of an OMC. So this is what you have to check. Okay, then CH3 twice CuLi, CH3 twice CuLi. This is an organometallic compound. You can see it is directly linked to carbon. Okay, and this is a positive part of the reagent and this is a negative part of the reagent, and this reagent is known as Gilman reagent. Okay, then there is another compound, say RZnX, similar to our Grignard reagent. This is RZnX. This is known as Frankland's reagent. Frankland's reagent. Now the advantages of organometallic compounds are they act as a good source of carbanion. We have already seen in Grignard reagent methyl magnesium bromide. This is the carbanion part. It is a very good source of carbanion. Similarly, if you have C2H5Na, then this will be a carbanion. Now the difference between these two is, in Grignard reagent, this is a covalent bond. We had already seen this is a covalent bond with ionic character, whereas in case of this compound, this is a purely ionic bond between carbon and sodium. Anyway, we are more interested in Grignard reagent. This is a covalent bond with a strong ionic character. Okay. So it acts as a good source of carbanion. Not only that, Grignard reagent acts both as a good nucleophile and a good base.